Good morning, beautiful people. My name is Timothy Olayiwola. I'm a social media manager. Welcome to my channel. Okay, so in today's video, I'm going to be talking about five things I am dying to tell aspiring social media managers in Nigeria. I started my social media management journey in 2019 when I completed the digital marketing garage course, and so far I've had over 2 years of a broken experience in managing social media pages and thinking everything about social media. So here are five things I would love to tell anyone who is looking to start or is looking to delve into social media management. Number one, focus on getting hands-on experience over unlimited certification courses. So one of the mistakes I did was that I focused on trying to get all of the knowledge I could. Okay, I took all of the available certifications. Okay, before trying to get hands-on experience. Now, here's the twist to that. When someone to hire you, okay, let's say a potential employer or a client per se, they're not going to ask you how many courses have you taken, okay? But they're going to ask you, show me your portfolio, and in that portfolio or links to social media pages that you've managed before. So they're not going to ask you how many courses have you taken actually, but rather they've asked me the links to the pages I've managed. Now, am I saying certification courses are bad? No, they are not bad. They give you the knowledge of how social media works. But then prioritize getting the experience. In the experience, while failing, while succeeding, while doing this and that, you gain the knowledge. Number two, prioritize learning from local experts than foreign experts. Prioritize learning from social media managers in Nigeria, okay, than foreign social media managers. And the reason is this: the rules guiding social media industry in Nigeria is different. It's a little. I'm not talking about the technicalities of managing social media pages. I'm talking about all other things. The business of social media is different. It differs from one country to the other. For instance, if you listen to a foreign freelance social media manager, they may tell you, "Oh, I charge $1,000 to manage a social media page per month, or I charge $2,000 to manage a social media page per month." Now, if you do the conversion in naira, that's a huge figure. No, many businesses cannot afford to pay that particular amount in naira. For some foreign clients may also say some other things that do not apply in the climate of Nigeria. But when you learn from a Nigerian expert, he can tell you the ropes, he or she can tell you the ropes that apply to Nigeria and help you to succeed much more faster. Number three, develop your graphic design skills. Now, I know graphic design will not necessarily be a major role of social media managers, okay? I believe in that. But then, as an aspiring social media manager, you are going to create designs. You are going to create designs either on Canva, on Photoshop. So, with I don't want to be a graphic designer. You have to learn it. You have to learn it for you to succeed in social media management. And depending on how fast you're able to grow, at some point you'll be able to outsource graphic design. But as an aspiring social media manager, I need to be able to create excellent designs, excellent social media posts that can catch the eye of your clients. Number four, master video content creation. We're in the days of videos, okay? Videos are everywhere now on Instagram, on Facebook, on LinkedIn, on YouTube. There's a clamor to create much more videos. Now, what does that mean for you as a social media manager? You need to be able to learn how to capture good videos. Okay, you need to be able to prioritize getting good gadgets such as phones that can capture high quality videos. Apart from learning how to capture high quality videos and images, you want to learn how to edit videos, and you can edit videos using simple tools like CapCut, like InShot, or other or much more advanced video editing softwares. But as a social media manager in this climate, you need to learn how to edit videos. Then number five, you need to learn how to grow social media pages organically. Whether it's Facebook, whether it's Instagram, whether it's Twitter, or whatever platform is given to you, or YouTube too. You need to be able to learn how to grow these social media pages organically. Now, this This improves your portfolio, this improves your credence. Aspiring social media manager, you need to prioritize learning how to grow each of these social media pages or the particular social media page you want to handle. All right, that's it for today.